What is Python? Executive summary: Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. Its high-level built-in data structures, combined with dynamic typing and dynamic binding, make it very attractive for rapid application development, as well as for use as a scripting or glue language to connect existing components together. Python's simple, easy-to-learn syntax emphasizes readability and therefore reduces the cost of program maintenance. Python supports modules and packages, which encourages program modularity and code reuse. The Python interpreter and the extensive standard library are available in source or binary form without charge for all major platforms, and can be freely distributed. Often, programmers fall in love with Python because of the increased productivity it provides. Since there is no compilation step, the edit-test-debug cycle is incredibly fast. Debugging Python programs is easy, a bug or bad input will never cause a segmentation fault. Instead, when the interpreter discovers an error, it raises an exception. When the program doesn't catch the exception, the interpreter prints a stack trace. A source-level debugger allows inspection of local and global variables, evaluation of arbitrary expressions, setting breakpoints, stepping through the code a line at a time, and so on. The debugger is written in Python itself, testifying to Python's introspective power. On the other hand, often the quickest way to debug a program is to add a few print statements to the source. The fast edit-test-debug cycle makes this simple approach very effective. In this tutorial and to show how to install Python Windows, the most up-to-date Python version 3 will be installed on the Windows operating system. Be sure to download the installer file as x86-64. On the first screen, enable Add Python 3.7 to Path and then click Install Now. Next, it will be possible for you to select the Disable Path Length Limit option. This option eliminates the restriction imposed on the max_path variable. Choosing this option does not cause any problems with the operating system or other parts. It only allows Python to use longer names for the variable's path. If you have only installed version 3 of Python on Windows, open the Command Prompt app to ensure the correct installation of Python and the correct adjustment of path variables.